So today we're going to be building LEGO Speed Champions set 76909, the Mercedes-AMG F1 W12 E-Performance and Mercedes-AMG Project 1 cars. This set comes with 564 pieces. This actually was released back in 2022. For some reason I thought it was a newer set, but I just picked this up, so let's get it open and put it together. So this is LEGO Speed Champion set 76909, the Mercedes-AMG F1 W12 E-Performance and Mercedes-AMG Project 1 set. This set comes with 564 pieces and was actually released back in 2022. So these two cars are actually really cool. I like the colors that are used. This is the F1 car and then the Project 1 car as well. I like the colors and the contours. This F1 car is really nice, again, for a Speed Champions car. They have really nice printed pieces on the side of the wheels here. And then I'll get to the stickers in a minute, but again, there's the logos in the top here with the Ionos logo, and then this is the steering wheel in the center here. And then the Project 1 car, the top does open to show inside with the sticker and then the steering wheel. There is a printed piece here, this AMG on the front, as well as these two pieces here, and then there's the Mercedes logo sticker on the side there. Around the side, again, there's, like I said, there's a lot of stickers on this set, but the wheels are pretty standard for Speed Champion sets. And then in the back here, there's some really nice, the way they designed this, the back of this car here with the brake lights and then the logo in the back. The spoiler does rotate a little bit, but otherwise it is this car, the Project 1 car, I think was really, the build was very similar to most Speed Champions cars that you see today. There are two minifigures in this set. There's the male race driver and then the female race driver, and then it also comes with swappable heads and helmets for the sets. As I said a minute ago, there are quite a few stickers in this set. This was for the F1 car, sorry, the Project 1 car, and then this set here was for the F1 car. There's a lot of stickers here, and again, with both of these large sticker sheets, it did add some time to the build. There are two manuals in this set, obviously, for each car. So the first car you build is the F1 car, and then it gets right into bags 1 and 2, and then bags 3 and 4, of course, get right into the Project 1 car, and that is bags 3 and 4, and it goes all the way. It's about 100 pages per instruction manual. When I first bought this set, I originally had thought that it was released this year. I didn't realize this was a couple years old. I bought it on Amazon, and for some reason I thought it was part of this year's Speed Champion sets, being that they've released already a couple of these. But true story, I honestly got this set for free after Amazon screwed up my delivery. So I hope you enjoyed this build, and if you did, again, I'd appreciate you clicking on like and subscribe. And once again, I appreciate your support, and thanks for watching.